Unleashing creativity with Printify, your gateway to customized merchandise. Tony Corrier. 3 minutes read 11 hours ago. Go to Printify. In a world where individuality and personal expression are highly valued, creating custom merchandise has become a powerful way to stand out. Whether you're an artist, entrepreneur, or someone with a unique vision, turning your ideas into tangible products has never been easier, thanks to platforms like Printify. In this blog post, we'll explore the wonders of Printify and how it empowers creators to transform their imagination into reality. What is Printify? Printify is a print-on-demand platform that allows individuals to create and sell custom-designed merchandise without the hassle of managing inventory, production, or shipping. It acts as a bridge between creators and a network of high-quality printing partners, enabling users to focus on their designs while leaving the logistics to the experts. Key features: 1. Product variety. Printify offers a vast array of products to choose from, ranging from apparel like T-shirts and hoodies to accessories like phone cases and mugs. This diversity allows creators to cater to different tastes and preferences, expanding their customer base. 2. Easy-to-use design tools. The platform provides intuitive design tools that enable users to bring their ideas to life effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a novice, you can create eye-catching designs using the user-friendly interface. 3. Quality printing partners. Printify collaborates with a network of professional printing partners, ensuring that the finished products meet high-quality standards. This not only enhances the credibility of the merchandise, but also guarantees customer satisfaction. 4. Global fulfillment. One of the standout features of Printify is its global fulfillment network. With printing partners strategically located worldwide, creators can reach a global audience and provide timely shipping to customers across the globe. How Printify works. 1. Design your product. Start by choosing a product and use Printify's design tools to customize it. Upload your designs, choose colors, and experiment with different elements to make your product unique. 2. Select printing partners. Printify offers a list of printing partners, each with its own pricing and specialization. You can choose the partner that best fits your needs in terms of quality, cost, and fulfillment capabilities. 3. Set your prices. Determine the pricing for your products by factoring in the base cost and your desired profit margin. Printify provides transparent pricing information, allowing you to make informed decisions. 4. Publish and sell. Once your designs are ready, publish them on your chosen sales channels, such as an online store or marketplace. As customers place orders, Printify takes care of the production and shipping processes. Benefits for creators. 1. Low financial risk. Printify operates on a print-on-demand model, meaning you only pay for production when an order is placed. This eliminates the need for upfront investment in inventory, reducing financial risks for creators. 2. Time efficiency. By handling production and fulfillment, Printify frees up your time to focus on what you do best, creating. This time efficiency allows you to scale your business and explore new creative avenues. 3. Scalability. Whether you're a solo artist or a growing brand, Printify scales with your business. As your customer base expands, the platform accommodates increased production and ensures a seamless experience for both creators and customers. Printify has emerged as a game-changer for creators looking to turn their creative visions into profitable ventures. With its user-friendly interface, diverse product offerings, and global fulfillment network, Printify empowers individuals to unleash their creativity without the burden of logistical challenges. Whether you're a designer, artist, or entrepreneur, Printify opens the door to a world of possibilities, making custom merchandise accessible to all. Start your journey with Printify today and watch your creative dreams come to life. Go to Printify. Written by Tony Correa. Tony Correa is an online marketing strategist who promotes web hosting companies.